In this video, we are going to see that if you're using the CapCut desktop version and you want to add a video overlay in your videos, for example, if I want to add a screen recording and a talking head with that in the corner, just like a box, how we can do this. So just open the CapCut and import the videos you want. For example, I have included this video, and what we can simply do is just drag and drop to the timeline like this. And this is a screen recording, right? Now let's say I want a talking head to appear on the left corner right here. So let's just take an example of the stock material. Let's say I want a talking on camera video. So this will be just like your video, whatever you want to add. And if you want to add it to a different section to create the overlay, what we can do is just drag and drop here, and you can see the line here. That means it will be added in the line above that. And that's exactly what we want. We don't want both to appear on the same line. Otherwise it will mix the clip. We want it to be above. So now the clip are imported in the timeline. What we can do is just reduce the size of the top clip because we cannot see the background of the screen recording, right? So just make it smaller like this, and we can adjust however we want and just place it however we want. And also on the right hand side, we can make the adjustments from here as well. Now this is showing the talking head in the corner, and this is exactly how we can create the overlay. But if you want to show it in the rounded form, what we can do is just go to the mask here and just click on circle. You need to download it first, and then we can increase the size of it. And once you're done, just go to the basics, and this should fix the clip in that position. So now it shows something like this. Let me just zoom it to the full screen. For example, we want it to be here, and this is it. This is how we can make the rounded talking head in the overlay effect in CapCut. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.